Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with another haul from the Stamp and Scrapbooking Expo that was held here in Mesa in the middle of September. And so this is the final video of the series, I believe. And this is the last haul video. So I did buy this mystery box. It's from Pink and Maine. It was only $25. So I'm going to show you what was in it. And then I'm going to share with you my Scrappy Boy stamps haul, as well as the ton stamps haul. So here we go. I feel like I got a lot of good stuff in this one too. If you didn't see my other mystery bag unboxing from the Rabbit Hole Designs, I'll leave a link to that video here. But here is what I got. So I got this die here, which is just bubbly borders die. I got this lacy border die. I got these llama dies, and there is the stamp set that goes with it. Let's adventure alpaca my suitcase. That's funny. So that die and that stamp set. I got these scallop border dies. I got this all around sprinkle stamp. I think they're sprinkles. Maybe confetti. And then I got another stamp set. I got these dies that cull out this celebrate. And then I got this stamp set with these sentiments. So that was a pretty good $25 for all of that. From Pink and Maine. And then my Scrappy Boy stamps haul. Oh my goodness, look at them. They're so cute. This is the Aladdin stamp set. And all of those sentiments. And then I got the stencil for it. The Arabian Nights stencil. You can't see it very well. I'm sorry for the bright light. Here's the back. It shows it better. And then I also got the Little Mermaid stamp set. Look at her with her little hat. She could be a little witchy. And there's a bunch of sentiments. And then I did get the dies for that one. And then the stencil is under the sea with the seaweed and bubbles. So I could use this a lot for a lot of different ones. But that is my haul from Scrappy Boy Scrappy Boy Stamps. And my last haul is from the ton stamps. And oh my gosh, this was a car payment. Okay, let me take everything out so we can go over this. And some stuff I have samples, some stuff I do not. And I'll take the stuff out of the packaging so there's no glare. Let's see. Okay, remember I showed you some of the make and takes we made. So this was a ton make and take. I didn't buy this stencil. I think one of my other girlfriends did buy that stencil. So the next time we get together, I'll ask her to bring it so that I can make some panels and use for future use. But yeah, I like the way this one came out. My daughter did this one. These are the ones I did buy. I showed you this as the make and take I did, and I did buy the stencil for this one. But how pretty is that? So exciting. So I can't wait to start working on all these projects and playing with all the stuff I bought from Expo. So that one, I did get a sentiment stamp as well as the die to cut out. So I'll be making a whole bunch of these just to have for stash. And then this one, I don't think I got this one either. I didn't. This was another one I didn't get, but it was, oh, I made this. One of my friends has this one, but I used it, or I did this one because Effie, she's the owner of the ton, she let us try these these brushes, and so I knew if I wanted to buy them or not. But that's the cases they come in. They're nice ergonomically. They blend well. I love it. They're very soft. They come in a little container. In the pack there is 6 of them. Sorry for all the crinkling, but that's what I'm gonna start off with, 6. I probably need, 12 for the main colors. But I did get that. I did get this stencil as well. My daughter did this and she kind of messed up the layering, but you can't even tell. And I can still get, it's messed up because I know she did it. But just looking at here too, but who cares? It's still very pretty. And these are sunflowers. I don't know if you ever saw purple sunflowers before, but in her world they're purple. Anyway, but yeah, so I can get 2 card panels out of this. I can even get a strip to make a 3rd card front. But yeah, love this stencil. And so last year when we bought stencils, and I did a video last year of the haul I did from the ton. I'll leave that video link here if you did not get a chance to use it or to see it. There was no marking. You kind of had to figure it out, and she was kind of new at the stenciling thing. But now, I don't know if you can see, she numbers them. So you place, 1 will always be in the left bottom corner, the numbers. So when you put them down on your paper to stencil, this is the first layer, and then the one with 2 will go on the bottom left hand corner as well, and that's stencil 2. And so on. So you just have to look for the numbers. This is 3, it'll go in the bottom corner, and that's how you line it up. And here's 5, and then 6, and that's the last one. So there's 6 layers in this stencil to make these sunflowers. Oh, so excited to be able to play. So I did get that one. Also, I got a bigger stencil. This huge hunk of stencil. There's no sample, and I didn't use it yet. I've had some of my crafty girlfriends, they've done it because they didn't buy the stencil and they wanted to have it. But you can get a lot of panels out of this stencil. So once I do it, I will, share the process with you. Be looking for that. But it's just a blended peonies large stencil. So it's just a bunch of peonies that you can get different card fronts from. So I got that one, and it's a 8 3/4 by 12-inch design. And then I also got this stamp set. So she had a sample of it of the fireworks in like glitter embossed on a black card sheet, and it was awesome looking. So I'm going to try to redo that. So that's why I got these. I also got this stencil, and I don't have a sample of this one, but I got the die as well, and it is starts with a C, Cosmos. Yeah, so it's a Cosmos die, so be watching for that. And then I got some background dies, and I like the way she layered these under the flowers, the flower fronts. Like she did the stencil, cut it out, and then this was the background and this was on the front of it. So hopefully I explained that well. If not, be watching out for some examples of that. So that's one of the backgrounds I got. And then this one comes in a set of 4, I believe. Might be 3. But they're all kind of layering for like plaid and checkerboard kind of stencils. Not stencils, but dies. And I got one more set of dies. And this one has 4. And this is like a diamond plate, almost like argyle. You can do that kind of lattice stuff, but yeah. So I'm excited to just play with these and show some background samples. But that is the end of my haul. I will do one more video for a wrap-up video, just to give my thoughts on Expo and stuff like that. So, and if I missed anything. But that's the end of the haul. So, if you guys are new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey for more videos like these. See here? And until my next video, shakas!